Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Um, Reminder, this is for education purposes only, should not be considered investment advice, options have risk. Hey, are you a certified financial planner or somebody that needs continuing ed hours? Well, welcome to our next class. This is portfolio management using options for investors, money managers, and registered investment advisors. Come and catch us, get everything you need to over this 10-week class. It's going to be $9.97. So think about that, 10 hours. So you're basically $100 a class. That's dirt cheap. Go to optionpit.com/masterrie to get yourself signed up. Speaking of getting you signed up, here we are, and the market is down a touch. Not the most exciting day. We've now had several really slow down days in a row, and yet we're seeing the VIX just kind of creep higher. It really doesn't make a lot of sense for the VIX to be over 15. We're not moving. Maybe related to non-farm payrolls, maybe some sort of trade deal stuff. But the idea that, on 2 days where the range has been, in the last week, we've had one day where we had a range bigger than what felt like $10. That's not true, but it's kind of felt that way. Volatility's been really muted. And yet, you look around and things continue to be a little bit bid. Volatility is bid. The VIX futures term structure is pretty darn flat. Like the futures are up a little bit again, which kind of makes no sense. But, volatility in general has just been kind of screwy, is the way I would put it. We had Ross Stores had earnings yesterday. It's up despite kind of a miss on same-store sales. Urban Outfitters reported some weak sales. It's up again too. So you got to wonder whether, retail as a whole is going to be strong. Target killed it yesterday and up again today. Costco reports earnings tomorrow night, and those will be ones that I'm looking at during our chat today because that's a popular one, and I think it's one that could be interesting to play with. If you want to know what's going on with FANG, they're uppish again. Facebook looks really strong. It's back up over 170. Looks like it's going to 175 here. Apple has been kind of boring. Microsoft, which had been strong, is kind of flatlining again. I will point out that the NDX has been by far the strongest of the indexes and continues to be pretty darn strong. So that's kind of, I think that's pretty interesting to think about how strong the NDX has been. I'll tell you, looking at this market, I feel like today is going to be a green day. We basically ended up flat yesterday. Futures completely unchanged at the 315 close. I think we could probably go through something very similar today. All right, people. Again, time's a wasting to get signed up for this awesome masterclass. Go to optionpit.com/masterrie to get yourself registered. Have a good one.